Let's apply a workflow to content by navigating to Content Editor. Select the Articles folder since we want to apply the workflow to all articles. Choose More Actions and then Apply Workflow. Let's choose our workflow, and now we see an option to apply changes to all children. Make sure this is turned on so that the workflow is applied to all articles inside this folder. Let's add a banner to the first article and save changes. Previously, saving changes would automatically create a new document version and publish it, but now that's no longer the case. Article status now shows that it's in draft state. If we want to submit it for approval, we will have to check in first. As previously mentioned, check-in allows us to lock the content, preventing any content edits until content is checked out. Now we can submit the article by using the Submit command. A new task is created, and we have to fill in the description, set the due date, and assign the task to someone who will review it. We also have the option to assign to multiple people, and all of them will be notified about the assigned task. We can see that article status has changed to the next workflow step, awaiting approval. Reviewer can now change the article status by using commands to approve or reject. Since approved is our final state, this means that approving will not only move article into approved state, but also publish it. We can easily verify this by looking at the version history, since we can see that current version of our article is also the published one. Since all the article changes have been approved, we can now check out and unlock this article for future modifications.